Hello, welcome to Sisyphus Crane and Rigging. We're talking about the greatest vending machine that vends nothing. This is Mr. Bix. Thanks for coming to my channel. This video, the Kineticon, why Mr. Bix, who is the Greek god Sisyphus, whose name is such a sibilant mouthful, and then finally, what's coming. It's all about conceptualizing, inventing, designing, CAD working, equipping, soldering, raking through the metal, milling parts, wiring, bending metal, turning, that is lathe work, cutting, of course, of different types, grinding, cooling off the parts, welding badly, finishing parts, electrical engineering, programming in Arduino, and cabinetry. I want to show how that's made, and selecting the right resistor for the job, all that kind of stuff. Sisyphus Crane and Rigging is my channel name. It's a big kinetic art build story. The thing I'm building is the Kineticon. Kineticon is my invented word for what I used to call a coin-operated kinetic art show in a self-contained machine. A Kineticon is kinetic. Things are moving, as well as lights flashing and sounds playing and so on. My idea back in 1978 was to build a box full of things that move, kinetic art style, activated by a quarter, and a logical name popped into my head, the Kineticon. The idea hit me in a rush of features and solutions all poured in at once. Not to list them all, but here's an example. I'd have a central shaft on which all these cams would be arranged, switching things on and off, making a sequence for the show. I invented the cam-driven gang switch, the cam timer. I never guessed at the time that every washer, dryer, and dishwasher, since before I was born, had a cam timer in it. But anyway, the Kineticon, I called it that back in 1979, and I've used the name ever since. This channel tells the story and covers the building of an all-new Kineticon. Mr. Bix is because all the guys with cool YouTube channels have a nickname. My middle name is Bixler, so why not Bix? In the shadow of Mount Olympus, no less. Here's a lovely picture of Mount Olympus. The one in Utah, not Greece. Sisyphos, also known as Sisyphus, was a mythical Greek god, and he cheated death twice, among other bad things, and he made the gods mad at him, specifically Hades. Now, Hades wasn't exactly one of the Olympians living on Olympus, since he ruled the underworld, but otherwise the same group of gods. And heck, they were all mythical anyway. But anyway, Hades doomed Sisyphus to roll a rock up a hill, which would roll back down when he got to the top, to make an example out of him. Over at JK Brickworks, you can see just how tedious the job is in Legos. Absolutely original. So that's all for now, and thanks for watching.